Good morning everybody and welcome to this week's assembly. Today is Friday the 13th of November. Today we are going to talk about Diwali, which some of our Park family will be celebrating tomorrow. We'll be going to Jemison class with Miss Edwards and Miss Rice to see what they have been learning about. We will hear from Miss Chandrarajah with a reading update. Our house captains will be helping out too, sharing our Times Table Rock Stars update from Mitzy, who is currently on a world tour. And first up today, two more of our house captains are going to teach us a bit more about our learning power of concentration. Over to you.
Hello everybody. As you can see here, this is a student that struggles with concentration. Notice the lack of listening. He cannot even hear his teacher speaking.
Are you listening? Are you listening?
As you can see here, we've got a big problem with attention.
Attention! Oh, now I'm listening. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about attention and how it's so important to pay attention in class. As you can see, my past self was not very attentive. Has this ever happened to you?
My wonderful boy, how was your day at school? Did you have fun?
Yes, Mama.
What did you learn about?
I have no idea. I cannot remember.
Paying attention helps our memory.
This data's off the chart. What's been going on? They must be doing some amazing learning across the school.
We know, Mr. Hodkin. Everyone's been concentrating really well. That's why learning is really good.
Yes, attention is really valuable for learning as it helps us remember things to learn. I'm a reporter. Because I'm happy, 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 happy.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Why are you so happy?
I feel enriched and confident and good about myself because paying attention has made me feel good about myself. As you can see, my vocabulary has leveled up.
Okay, so what can we do? What routines can help us to pay attention? The way we enter a classroom can be focused. We can act with purpose and just crack on with our learning. Then enters and just settles straight down.
I'm not being mean or anything, but when a teacher's explanation goes on and on and on and on, it makes me lose attention. That's why the teachers in our school make sure that their explanations are clear and well planned.
Last tip is to join in. If we fully participate and ask questions and think of new ideas, it will keep your attention. So in your class, try to be the one that asks questions and helps other people.
Gotcha! This is how you develop great attention skills.
We are your house captains and we
endorse
endorse this message.
That was nice.
Wow, brilliant job. Now, I hope you can pay attention to me. This week, many of our families in the school will be celebrating Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights which celebrates the victory of good over evil and knowledge over ignorance. It tells the story of how Lord Rama triumphed over the Lankan king Ravana in a mighty battle of good versus evil. We asked a few of our pupils who celebrate what they do for Diwali.
Here come Rama and Sita, everybody go prepare the lamps. Diwali is important for me because we've celebrated it every single year, and it's important because we always celebrate it with my family and friends. Diwali is special for my family because lots of Hindus celebrate it, and when when our family celebrates, it's like all of our family celebrating it. When Sita was abducted by the King of Lanka, Rama went to save Sita. When they came back, there was a path of lamps lighting the way back to their home. Decorate our house with lots of candles, and they're called diva in our language, and we wear lots of fancy clothes, we make lots of food, and it's very special.
Brilliant! Let me do some stars of the week. Here's Year 4, Year 5 and Year 6. In Berners-Lee, we have Fatima. In Hawking, it's Alicia. In Brunel, it's another Alicia. In Gandhi, it's Mariah. In Helen Keller, we have Masuma. And in Rosa Parks, Mason. In Mandela, it's Nicole. In Malala, Sophia. And in Pankhurst, Arjav. Now, let's hear what Miss Chandrarajah has to share. Let's go to the reading corner.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to give out the certificates for the Summer Reading Challenge. So I'm going to read the names now, and then your teachers will give you your certificate and your medal today. If I mispronounce any of your names, I'm really sorry, but I am trying my hardest. So we have got in reception class, Gurmel. In Year 1, we have got David, Grace, Karam from Aldrin class. We have got Aryan from Attenborough class. In Marco Polo, we've got Agota, Ayan, Paula, Ray and Humera. Then in Year 2, in Einstein class, we've got Liberty, Sabani and Yaya. Then in Marie Curie class, we've got Barney, Marla, Rona, Scout. In Pasteur class, we've got Rahma. In Year 3, all from Edison class, we have got Eunice, Adam and Adela. In Year 4, from Berners-Lee class, we've got Afini, Sana. Then from, also from Brunel class, we've got Samaya. Then in Year 4, in Hawking class, we've got Balwant, Daksh, Freddie, Aisha, and Anastasia. Then in Gandhi class, which is Year 5, we've got Tiana and Ramesa. Helen Keller, we've got Dewan. In Rosa Parks, we've got Ira, Grace, Rayan, Khalifa, and Mohammed. Then in Year 6, from Malala class, we've got Adelina. In Mandela class, we've got Anwesha, and in Pankhurst class, we have got Lucy. Well done to all of those children. Your certificates and medals are winging their way to you right now. Also, if you didn't get a chance to take part in the Summer Reading Challenge, don't worry, because I will be sending out information about the Winter Reading Challenge very soon. Okay, bye.
Now I want to know what's happening with maths.
This guitar is deflated, but you don't need to be, because this time is rock time!
First off, let's hear about our battles last week. First battle we had was Da Vinci versus Berners-Lee. Who won? Drum roll, please. Da Vinci! Our scientists. Our second battle was between Edison and Hawking. Ooh. And our winners were, drum roll, please. Of course, Edison. Our third and the most luckiest game was Galileo versus Brunel. Oh, who won? Drum roll, please. Brunel! Our fourth battle from last week was Helen Keller versus Malala. Sadly, Helen Keller won. Next battle was my class, Pankhurst, versus Gandhi, and of course, Pankhurst won because they're the best. We're gonna eat pizza soon.
Oh yeah, no. I know.
Okay. And our sixth battle and final battle was Rosa Parks versus Mandela. Oh no, this one was a tough one. But Rosa Parks managed to take the lead.
Next week's battles will begin. First battle will be Da Vinci versus Brunel. Oh no.
Tough ones, Mike. Our second battle will be Galileo versus Hawking. Oh no.
Our third battle, Edison versus Berners-Lee.
Oh no. Our fourth battle will be Rosa Parks versus Malala. Malala, you know you're gonna win.
Next we have Helen Keller versus Pankhurst.
Ooh. And last but not least, Gandhi versus Mandela.
Battles run from Friday to Wednesday, and the only points counted will be from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Good luck.
There are only 2 weeks left from the semi-finals, so everyone needs to rock on!
Oh, I didn't do it right.
Rock on.
What is rock on?
Let's hear our stars in Little Park and reception. In Mexia, we have Asia O. In Tenzing, we have Mahra. In Coleman, it's Zainab. In Jemison, Asia. In MacArthur, Eunice. And in Seacole, Tabitha. Now, we have a real treat. We're going to see Jemison class in reception to see what they have been learning about. Let's go.
Welcome for Jemison Assembly. This is our first class assembly. Some of us are new to primary. Our teachers are proud of us. We have been learning to be a quarter-trained crocodile. That means listening to the adults. We have learning to be a born elephants. That means going to new classrooms. I saw a firework on the weekend. We learned about a story of Diwali. I see more fireworks from Diwali. We pretend to be fireworks.
candle went.
Great job, Jemison. And finally today, let's do our stars from Year 1, Year 2 and Year 3. In Aldrin, we have Devon. In Attenborough, it's Ariane. In Marco Polo, it's Abdulaziz. In Einstein, it's Dylan. Marie Curie, Barney. Pasteur, Daniel. In Da Vinci, Daki. In Galileo, Oliver. And in Edison, Tanzil. Well done, everybody. Stay fabulous and fantastic.
Because I'm happy, 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 happy.